नहीं सकते. Once there is a doctor and a patient don't fight. They don't fight. A healer and a patient never fight. But why, Because the doctor has no expectations from a patient. The doctor just knows, I'm here to heal. Which means which energy? I am here. I am here to heal. That's why this energy is needed. You go and meet a healer and you cry and you say, they don't say, why are you coming to me and crying? They say, I am here to heal. The energy of giving, that is the seva bhav. So most important seva bhav is within family. Within family, सबसे पहले उनकी सेवा करो. Charity begins at home. So सबसे पहली सेवा किसकी? खुद की. Till I take care of myself,